Hi everyone, this is Arthur from StoreWALL. This short video, it's going to talk a little bit about pegboards and also power tool storage. So we're going to be featuring a few different ways to store your power tools using a pegboard or your StoreWALL slat wall plus also accessory range. But we'll start off with a pegboard. So this pegboard here I purchased from Bunnings over the weekend, and it's a metallic black, obviously powder coated pegboard made by Pinnacle. Bunnings sells a lot of Pinnacle product shelves and other things, and this is just one of these accessories that they sell. The dimensions of this pegboard are about 900 by 450. I believe there's a much bigger one as well. I think it's kind of double the length, or it's well over a meter anyway, the other one that they sell. And this pegboard, it's basically installed, just fastened directly onto your wall. There's obviously lots of holes on the front for your attachments, but some of these holes also kind of go all the way through the back to allow you to fasten it to your wall. It doesn't actually come with any of these fasteners though. All right. Obviously they're sold separately, but they're just screws onto a brick or a plastered wall. You can see that there's lots of kind of options there as far as moving it around and as far as filling it up with accessories. And look, the accessory range from Pinnacle, it's not huge. It's about 6 or 7, I think, different types of hooks, or I suppose accessories that they had there, as far as what I had seen anyway. Maybe there was more at other Bunnings, but anyway, the one that I was looking at is what they had. But I'm focused a little bit more on the power tools, and so I picked up a packet of these power tool kind of holders, or I suppose hooks, or and these, you can see what it kind of looks like, and at the back there's a couple of teeth. You can see the teeth there, right? And there's a couple of screw holes at the front as well. Okay, those two there. The packet comes with 4 of these. It's about $13. The board itself was about $39, and the packet also comes with some of these plastic screws, okay, which kind of open up, and they obviously fit in to here like that, and then they get fastened to the wall. And so in addition to having these 2 teeth lock the accessory into the pegboard, you've also got the screws that actually provide additional level of support, which is a much improved to what we used to see with pegboards, which was effectively just the 2 hooks, right, the 2 little teeth. So I've screwed one in here. I actually haven't screwed it all the way. I found it a little bit hard to screw in, but mainly that was because this pegboard isn't actually fastened to a wall. It's just loose at the moment. I've got a slat wall obviously that I'm using, but as I said, that's kind of the way it works, and I'll just show you kind of what it's like to actually apply the tools itself. So I've got my tool here, and basically what happens is that these little clasps or hands here are opened up, and your power tool goes on, and you can twist it around, and that's kind of how it holds it. I don't remember exactly how many kilos this wall will hold. It's quite loose here, so it's probably not a good kind of judge of that, right? So kind of disregard that for the moment. I'm sure on the Bunnings website it tells you how much it can carry, but that's basically the way these things kind of are added on. Just you open it up and you push it in, and then you can twist it left or right, or maybe not left, because that holder's there, but certainly this way. Okay, so that's the Pinnacle pegboard, right, and its power tool accessory. Okay. All right. Now StoreWALL also has its range of power tool holders and hooks. Okay, so all of StoreWALL's accessories, or mainly its hooks at least anyway, come with camlock. And you can see the camlock fastening system here. I'll just put this onto the wall. Attach it, just like that. Okay, and it's locked in. And this is the power tool holder. I'll just take this off here. You can have a quick look at this as well. This is our power tool holder. Kind of comes with a shorter front or left and a deeper right to kind of hold bigger tools, including kind of hammer drills and those types of accessories as well. Okay, so those types of power tools as well. So it's all heavy duty steel, rubber coating, Yeah, all of StoreWALL's accessories are the same as far as some of this, the way they're kind of produced and made, and the quality of them as well. And you can see how that's kind of secured. And then what basically happens is the power tool fits in there. All right, pretty simple. Takes up as much space as the one on the pegboard. Look, it's more sturdier. There's a bit of a price difference though between these. I mean, these are about $3 or $4 each. This is about $40, right? So you kind of, there's a difference. But that's how the StoreWALL one works. All right. Now, StoreWALL also has another option with its power tool range, and there's a new shelf that we've introduced, only available in Australia. And this is this shelf called the power tool rack. So I just thought I'd show you what it looks like. It's powder coated grey. Comes with 4 slots, 1, 2, 3, 4. So for 4 power tools, and it just basically slips into the wall like that. Just adjust the camera here, you can see it a bit better. And then your power tools simply slip in, just like that. You can either put them this way, or you can put them that way. And this holds 4 of them. Okay, this is also about $40. Alright, and you can see there what it looks like. Just a new accessory that's been introduced in the last few weeks to our range. Alright, the power tool rack, and obviously the power tool hook, which has been around for a while as well. And that's how StoreWALL manages your power tools. A different approach, different range of accessories. My belief is that they're a lot more solid, a lot more sturdy, thicker metal. There's a price difference though. Okay, so I suppose we'll make sure that that's also quite obvious for people to appreciate as well. Hope this was useful. Certainly a way of kind of comparing the 2 different solutions, and we'll see which one's appropriate for you in your garage. Thank you.